Thank you for joining me in this particular video content. Thank you for my returning subscribers. Thank you for being the first time of coming across this channel. If you have been thinking of when you will start poultry farming, when should I start poultry farming? What is the best time for me to start poultry farming? Should I start poultry farming during the rainy season? Should I start poultry farming during the hot season? Should I start poultry farming during the festive period? Should I start in January or February or middle of the year? What is the best time? When is the best time to start poultry farming? With practical reasons. That is the title of this particular content. Starting a poultry farming business can be highly rewarding and profitable venture. But timing is very important, it's very crucial to maximize your success and your profitability. Determining the best time to venture is very good. Knowing the particular time to start your poultry farming journey involves considering various practical factors that can significantly influence your farming and your farming growth, and at the same time your productivity and profitability. In this particular video, we will explore the key reasons why certain times are more advantageous to starting poultry, and at the same time provide you with actionable insight to help you make informed decisions, so that you don't just start anytime and anyhow. You don't just wake up in the morning and say, I'm going into poultry farming business. No, there is time and season for everything. Now, the best time to start poultry farming. Number one is seasonal climate conditions. Mild weathers, very mild weathers is very conducive for poultry farming business. Most especially broilers. Broilers don't need heat at all, irrespective of the breed. Starting in springs or fall, when the temperature are moderate, helps reduce stress on your poultry beds, and at the same time ensuring better growth and survival rates. During the hot period, there are a lot of mortalities due to heat stress. So another one, avoid extremes. Avoid extremes. Avoid starting your poultry farming in extreme summer or winter, as harsh weather can negatively impact your chicks and affect their health, and at the same time increase the mortality rate. Number two, the availability of chicks. Chicken, most especially the chicks, are not always available. Yes, you can say you can get chicken all the season. Yes, there are seasons when the cost of a day-old chicks is almost times 4. You don't need to go into poultry at that period of time, because once you buy your day-old chicks, assuming you are buying for $1, whereas at times you can get it 50 cents, irrespective of your region. Then why do you go into poultry, most especially for freshers, when the cost of day-old chicks is very expensive? So pick hatchery season. Hatchery typically have higher availability and better prices for chicks during spring and early summer, so allowing you to get a good start with healthy chicks. You don't just go into, especially starting poultry farming when the cost of that day-old chicks will be very expensive. The hatcheries increase the price of the poultry beds closer to the seasonal periods, most especially the festive periods. So you need to stock before that period. Number three is market demand. The festive seasons and holidays Starting your farm in time to have mature birds ready for sale during the high demand period like Christmas, Easter's, Salahs, and other festive periods can be significantly boost your profit, because that time people don't mind how much they spend buying the chicken. They believe it is a seasonal period. They believe it's a time of merriment. They believe it's time of enjoyment. They believe it's a time of eating their money. So they don't price much, unlike ordinary period. So stock so that you'll be able to sell during that festive period. And that will give you enough encouragement for you to continue in the business. Because that initial maximum profit will ginger you to continue with the business. Number 4 is learning curve and preparation. Learning curve. Learning curve and preparation is very important. Off-seasonal preparations use off peak seasons to set up your infrastructure. Make sure everything is ready. The poultry pen, the floor, the biosecurity, and everything. Acquire necessary knowledge and get your supplies ready without the pressure of immediate sales. Some farmers that just called me, I think I gave them that advice, and I believe they are watching this video right now. You don't just start anytime. Number 5, feed and resources availability, or the available resources. Harvest season. Starting your farm around local harvest season can ensure steady and cost-effective supply of feed, which is very important, very crucial for maintaining healthy poultry. Financial planning is number 6. Budget and funding cycles. Aligning your start date with financial cycles, such as after receiving bonuses or completing other major expenses, can ensure you that the necessary fund to invest in your farm is available at the time you need it. Number 7 is labor availability. Poultry laborers are not available all the season. If you are starting during the festive period, most of them are planning to travel. School holidays, if you need extra help, starting your farm when family members or seasonal workers are available can provide the labor support needed for the initial stage of your poultry farming business. Another one is disease management. Disease is more prevalent during the rainy season. Low disease period is when you should start. Certain times of the year have lower incidence of poultry disease. Start your poultry farming during this period, and that will help you to reduce the risk of outbreak and at the same time improve the overall flock health, and at the same time increase your profitability, because you are not going to spend much on medication. Number 9 is regulation and training opportunities. Regulation and training opportunities is very important. For instance, government programs, some government offer training programs of subsidies or even grants at specific times of the year. So starting your poultry farming to coincide with this opportunity can provide you a very good and valuable financial support. Number 10 is the market research. Please consider market research. Consumer trends. You need to know your consumer trends. Conduct thorough market research to understand the consumer, the buyers of your product. This will help you, and at the same time help you to know what to produce, when to produce, and whom to produce for. In conclusion, timing your entry into poultry farming can have a profound impact on your success. But by considering all these factors I have mentioned above, climate, market demand, resources available, and financial readiness, you can optimize your farm's potential for growth and profitability. Please start at the right time. Not only It will not only enhance the well-being of your poultry, but at the same time, It will position you strategically within the market circle, and at the same time, plan wisely, prepare thoroughly, and choose the best time to start your poultry farming business, and at the same time choose the right breed and location. This will be very rewarding and prosperous experience for you as a beginner. Thank you for watching this video. If you are just new to this particular channel, please click subscribe, activate the notification bell, and at the same time, make sure you share this video. And if you have any further question, please drop it on the comment section. I will answer them for you. Bye. Don't go far. I'm loading another video for you soon.